back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a realistic crumble paper effects in Canva. So let's dive into it. I'm gonna take this size over here. Now after your page has been opened, I'm just gonna drag this image right here of a beach. Like this. And I'm just gonna go in text. I'm gonna add a heading and type in here beach. Like this. Make it full like this much size. And I'm gonna change its font to a regular brush. Like this. And I'm gonna click share, download, and download this thing. After this has been downloaded, I'm just gonna delete both of these. Like this. And I'm gonna drag this image right here. Like this. Now I'm just gonna go in the elements, type in here for crumbled paper. I'm gonna add a page, go in graphic, go in photos, take this first one right here, like this, and I'm just gonna click on share, download, and I'm gonna download the second page. So now after it has been downloaded, I'm gonna delete this page. I'm gonna drag this crumbled paper image right here. I'm just gonna go and scroll down over here, go in apps, search over here, blend image. And I'm gonna click on the first icon over here. Now I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna select this as my top layer. And I'm gonna select this as my bottom layer. And make sure you're on multiply. And I'm gonna add a page. I'm gonna add this to design. And like this, I created a realistic crumbled paper effect in Canva. So I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends for more hacks and tips of Canva like these. Bye-bye!